Today's quick tip is how to enable the Super Control Panel or SCP menu on Olympus cameras. The default control on your Olympus cameras is the live control interface, like so, like you can see on the screen. Some people like it, but I prefer the Super Control Panel. To enable it, follow these steps. Go to the menu, go to the custom menu with the gear icon, and then go to the D section or display section and find control settings. Scroll to PASM and then turn live control off and set the SCP or Super Control Panel to on. Voila! You can go back, and every time you press OK from home screen, the Super Control Panel will appear. This will make it easy to change all of your film simulation settings. Au revoir.